Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Raman. In this section, we are going to discuss with gradient problem. See the problem. If pi equal to log of x square plus y square plus z square, then find the value of gradient, or sometimes the question is given the form of find the value of del pi or grad pi, short form of gradient. Now, what is a del? Del is nothing but vector differential operator. So, del equal to I vector dou by dou x plus j vector dou by dou y plus k vector dou by dou z. Here dou is nothing but partial derivative with respect to x, y, z. I x axis direction, j y axis direction, k z axis direction. Then given pi equal to log of x square y square z square. Now the question is find del pi or gradient or del pi. So gradient is nothing but del into pi. So del value I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z. This is the value of del into pi. Pi is log of x square y square z square. So this is a pi value. Now multiply with each and every term. I vector dou by dou x of x log of x square plus y square plus z square, log of x square y square z square, then plus j vector dou by dou y of log of x square y square z square. Just multiply pi value each and every term, plus k vector dou by dou z of log of x square y square z square. So now see here I vector dou by dou x, the partial derivative with respect to x. Therefore here x only variable, other values are considered constant. When here dou by dou y, y is only variable, other x and z are constant. And then dou by dou z, here z only variable, other two values are constant. So when differentiate, normally d by dx of log x. So what is the derivative formula? Log x equal to 1 by x. Suppose the form d by dx of log ax, then 1 by ax, the derivative, overall derivative 1 by x, into the variable derivative. The differentiation is nothing but a constant, x differentiation 1. Therefore this a cancel, 1 by x. So this is the differentiation log. For here the overall derivative, the full log of x square plus y square z square derivative is nothing but 1 by x square y square z square. Now the overall differentiation log of x square y square z square is 1 by x square plus y square z square, and then into the only variable differentiation, overall log of first full derivative, the next log, the variable only the derivative. In the variable the derivative is nothing but x square differentiation 2x plus y square constant. When I am differentiating constant with respect to x, 0, other constant with respect to x, so 0, plus j vector. For here derivative, the whole derivative log of x. When I differentiate log of x, 1 by x square y square z square into the variable only differentiation. So what is a variable? Now see, this is a variable. The variable only differentiation, x square constant 0 plus y square differentiation 2y plus z square constant 0 plus k vector, again the entire term derivative log x to consider when the differentiation of log x 1 by x square y square z square, and the variable differentiation is nothing but only this part. So the variable differentiation, x square constant when I differentiate 0 plus y square constant then differentiation 0 plus 2z plus 2z. Therefore this is a I vector 2x by x square y square z square plus j vector 2y by x square y square z square plus k vector 2z by x square y square z square. If the question is only del pi, then this is the answer. So calculation del pi equal to I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y, k into dou by dou z. Sometime the same problem is a possible given some point. Maybe the problem, this problem to consider. So when the points are given, to substitute the points. And before that, see here, generally this term to consider x. What is a r vector? So r vector is nothing but xi vector, yj vector, zk vector. This is a r vector. And another case is r vector, and then to find r vector modulus, when to taking r vector modulus, it's coming with x square plus y square z square square root. Now this is a consider r. This is a r. When I'm taking r square means r vector dot r vector. What does it mean? That r vector dot r vector is r square, because dot product square term. So r square is nothing but when we remove this x square y square then z square, x square plus y square then z square. Now to substitute this value to del pi. What is a del pi? See here, del pi equal to consider 2, I am taking common out, xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector divide by x square y square z square, because this is a common, I am taking this LCM. Now this is a term 2 into xi vector yj vector zk vector is nothing but r vector by x square plus y square z square is nothing but r square. So this is the value of del pi. Thank you.